Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. Please excuse your girl if she sounds a little nasally. My allergies are kicking me in my whole entire butt. Like, I've been Benadrylling it up, and it's no fun. All right. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to make sure that your post notifications are on as well, so you never, ever, ever miss out on a video I do, ever, ever, ever. All right? So, listen, I posted some OTC offers on my community tab. I'm hoping they're still available for you guys. I know that some of you guys said you're getting an error message. If it says try back, I would just try back. And always make sure you screenshot them so that it saves it for you. As far as my midweek, y'all, I got the wackest midweek. I need like 10 offers for $1. I guess it could be 15 or 18 for $1. But look, we ain't even gonna do it. As a matter of fact, I'm probably not even gonna do Ibotta at all today. Like, seriously, like, we got a larger bonus that we're supposed to pick. It's a pick your bonus. If you don't pick it, Ibotta's gonna pick it for you. You know your girl is a go hard or go home type of situation, girl. And so we went with the biggest bonus. So I need like a gazillion for like 40 bucks, but we gonna make it work. What else did I want to add? My points are still my pointing. Yeah, let me just say that. Was it 4 or 5? It was either 4 or 5 of my gift cards cleared since my last video, which was like, what, a day or two ago? So I'm going to be adding an extra $40 or $50, all right, based on how many clear. And so today I'm going to try to do more offers. I'm not sure how long this situation that's going on my points, glitching, whatever you want to call it, promotion, whatever. You know, whatever the situation is, I'm not sure how long it's going to last. But your girl is trying to capitalize on it. Really quick with Flavor Wiki. So Flavor Wiki did get some offers on there, some surveys, y'all, and some of y'all had asked me about it. I am not doing them, all right? I feel like it's just way too much for my time, all right? And just getting the item free is just not enough with Flavor Wiki, and they're doing a lot. They're doing a lot. Like, it's a kid and mom type of or kid and parent type of survey. You got to do one for the parent, one for the kid, and it's like I have like 5. I have 3 sets. 3 sets that are identical. I don't know if I could just buy one set and use the same receipt. I'm not even going to deal with it, to be honest. Some of you have asked me. If you feel like it's worth it for you, knock yourself out. It's not worth it for me. It's not worth my time and frustration. It's not worth it. It's like you're doing all this extra work and all you're getting is a free item. To me, it's not worth it. So you kind of have to use your own discretion if you feel like it's worth it for you. But for me, it's not. And on top of that, it's like 4 items you got to buy per survey. So from my understanding, you have to buy all 4 to get back $2.50 for each one, which is a total of $10 per set. $10 per set, and some of those items are stupid expensive. So it's a hard no for me. Hard pass. And so other than that, we're gonna head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. Want to see what you got new too. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So the first deal is gonna be on the Starry. Now I did go over this in my last video. There is a buy one get one free OTC offer. I'll have a link in the description. Hopefully it's still available for you. I did do it in my last video. One of you guys hit me up, Erica, to let me know that it is working when you buy one. So I tried this yesterday and I grabbed a 1 at $2.28 and actually took off $2.48. I mean, of course I had other things in my basket to take, to cover that, but it did take off a little bit more, making this a small little money maker, which is definitely not bad. All right. So this next deal is going to be on the Jimmy Dean's. It's on the griddle cakes. They're priced at $6.26 for this. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You end up paying $12.52. You'll get back $7 on inbox dollars. There's also a total of $3.64 for the 2 on checkout 51, bringing these down to only 94 cents each. All right, and then this one here is on the chicken biscuits. These are priced at $7.53. Grabbing 2 of them, the total is going to come to $15.06, getting back 1,190 points on my points, which is $7.43. And then $1.82 for each one on checkout 51 makes these $2.49 each. And honestly, might just have to max this deal out too. I mean, my points is making it real hard to not max stuff out. And so, not a bad deal. Okay, so this next deal is on the Taco Bell dip. Now, this has to be on the Cravings dip. This morning when I came, I grabbed the queso dip, and it did not work on that. This is an OTC offer. With the OTC offers, they do email it to you, and it always ends up in my spam or my junk folder, so always check there. From there, you click the link and you choose the store. Always screenshot your barcode, because if the offer ends, you can no longer access it. And so definitely do that first, right? So these are priced at $4.18. That OTC offer is going to make this absolutely free. And so yeah. All right, next up is the Char. This is a free offer on Social Nature. They're priced at $4.16. You'll submit your receipt, getting that back, making this absolutely free. All right, guys. So this deal here, we did go over this deal, what, maybe 2 videos ago? And I was saying, I'm going to wait and hope that it pops up on Ibotta, which it usually does. And guess what? It did. And so it's on the Friskies Party Mix. These are priced at $8.48. We're going to grab one of them. We'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also 510 points on my points, which is $3.18. And we'll get back $2 on Checkout 51 as well, making this a 70-cent moneymaker. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Glade air fresheners. Certain ones are priced at $2.28. The other ones at $2.38. You're going to be getting back 170 points on my points, which is 106. And then $1 on Shopmium, making this a 32-cent moneymaker. All right, the next deal is on the scent boosters. The first one's here on the Gain Fireworks. It's the little baby one, priced at $4.97, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. It makes that $2.47. There's also a different offer for Downy as well. They have this little tiny little baby one as well at $4.97, and then they also have this one here. Getting back $2.50 makes them also $2.47 each. So yeah, not a bad deal. All right, guys, I'm happy that they finally have a Spring Breeze one. Well, they only have one, literally only have one. It's priced at $4.47, so I'm gonna grab one of those, and then like last time, I'm gonna swing over here. I'm gonna grab one of these sheets, which are priced at $3.74. The two is gonna come to $8.21. We'll get back $8 for the sheets and $2 for the pods on Ibotta. And then we'll get back 340 points on my points, which is $2.12. And last but not least, we've got 1,000 points on Fetch Reward, making them only $1.04 each. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Febreze on the go. They are priced at $1.97. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $3.94. There's an offer on Ibotta for $3.30 back, bringing these down to only 32 cents each. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab a second set for Walmart rewards. So yeah. All right, so this deal here is on the Irish Spring. I did this in my last video. I thought I'd go ahead and do it again, so I went and grabbed 4 of them. Now, I wasn't sure if this one would work because the description just says the original. So when I grabbed it yesterday, I grabbed 3 originals and 1 of these, and it still worked. They're priced at $4.17. I ended up paying $16.68 out of pocket. I got back 10 on Swagbucks. Well, I did Swagbucks, I did Inbox, and I did Ta-Da. Bringing them down to $6.68 for all 4 are only $1.67 each. All right, next up is the Poise. It's priced at $5.97. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna grab one of these, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 510 points on my points, which is $3.18, and then $3 on Shopmium, making this a $2.21 moneymaker. Also gonna be grabbing the Attention Grace again. I have an offer for aisles for $4 off, or $4 back rather. So I'm gonna grab one at $7.98, getting back 4 on Ibotta, 4 on aisles, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, let me just really quick. I was so freaking nervous, you guys. I put up a community post. I already pulled it down. I was on my point trying to do surveys because I was like 18 points away from cashing out. The app wasn't working. So I went on and checked the other apps. None of them were working, none of the sister apps. And then I would check the desktop and it wasn't working either. I was like, I was over here freaking out. Oh my gosh, I was over here freaking out. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Anyways, it's back up. But I was hella nervous. And so, look, this is the best way I can make all of this fit on the table is to stack them up. All right. This is my haul for today. The ice cream, I posted that on my community tab yesterday. That was at Food for Less. I went ahead and added it to this as well as the mayonnaise. And then the Kinders, I did one more set before that died. Dang, what I want to say for this. Okay, so the ice cream was an awesome deal. Like, that was an awesome deal. That ended up being like a $16 moneymaker, which is awesome. The dip, okay, with the Taco Bell dip. Okay, so with these, I did do 2 separate transactions. And I've told you guys before, you can stack the OTCs on the same transaction. I wouldn't try doing the BOGO ones though. And so I did 2 by themselves. And I did 2 of them by themselves and a Starry. And it was kind of weird because it took off, let me see how it worked. The one that I did 3, it took off $4.99 times 2. That was 2 different cards. The third card, it only took off $2.56, but it did even itself out to making them all free. Now for the one where I had 2 of the dips and the Starry, the first dip, one that I scanned, it took off $7.47. And then the other one, it took off $3.37. So the one for the Starry didn't even scan. So I'm going to see if I can still use that though. Let me show you my receipt really quick. See, so the program card, it took off $7.47, which was the cost of, it was the $4.99 dip plus the $2.48 for the Starry. And then the other one, it just took off the difference, the balance, to make them all free. And then this one here, it took off 2 for $4.99, and then it took off the balance on the third card. So you can stack those. That worked out really good. With the Starry, I ended up doing, I have a ton of email addresses, y'all. I have like 10 that I still use. All right, I have others that I've kind of like let go by the wayside. But with the OTCs, however many email addresses you have, that's how many you can do. All right. So I did it 3 times under BOGO in my last video, and then I did it 5 times single. So I only bought 1 on a transaction. Again, the BOGO offer OTC is working on 1. Thank you to Erica who shared that with us in one of my last videos. Attention Grace went through already. The honeygrams, the shard, that's still processing. I noticed that with Social Nature, they are taking about 2 days to process. And as you can see, I did Irish Spring on 3 accounts. And I think that basically covers it. All right, so I'm going to try to make this quick because I have a bunch of stuff that has to go back in the freezer. This is all my receipts. All right, guys, really quick, I forgot to mention, as far as the Tear Pad coupon for the Best Foods, I had a lot of you guys that want them. And I don't have enough for everyone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to email you. Well, the email that you sent me with your address, I'm going to send you a heart, and that'll let you know if I'm sending you coupons. I think I have enough for maybe 15, 16 sets altogether. If I get more, I'll let you guys know though. All right, guys. So everything you see here retails $224.86. I did have $46.80 in coupons and OTCs. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $178.06. My sales tax was $8.94. Getting back $75.07 from my points. Inbox dollars was $27. Swagbucks was $27. Referral was $26.50. Ibotta was $16.30, and yes, I did hit my bonus. Checkout 51 was $13.92. Tada is $10. Social Nature is $4.16. Shopmium is $4, which is still processing. Aisles is $4. Walmart Rewards is $3.30. It hasn't gone through yet, and if it does not, it's going back to the store. Last but not least was Shopkick at $3.20. And so you get back a total of $214.45 back. Makes everything you see here, guys, free plus a $36.39 moneymaker, which is amazing. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.